how to generate outbound leads, method number 2. So if you just go on Facebook, I know many of us just use Facebook for chatting up with friends, sending them messages, liking, commenting on their posts. But Facebook is actually an immense source of data of the businesses. So all you have to do is you have to just search for the businesses in a particular industry or niche, and from there you will be able to find a lot of Facebook pages that have their direct numbers, emails listed, and that's how you can just shoot a cold email. You can just give them a cold call, and you can ask for the business or maybe a physical meeting if they are nearby. So yeah, that was all about method 2. We'll meet in method 3. Thank you.